Nigeria Diaspora Television is here in Hyde Park at one of our favorite places to interview one of Nigeria's top professionals in South Africa, a gentleman by the name of Barrister Omoregie Ogboro. Barrister Omoregie Ogboro has been in South Africa since 2001. He's a diploma graduate from the University of Calabar in computer sciences, and since he arrived in South Africa, he went straight into the legal profession, studying for his law degree, and he went to UNISA, which is the University of South Africa, and afterwards he became an admitted attorney. Admitted means he's called to the South African bar, so he can practice and go to court, right of appearance. Barrister Omoregie has got 9 years experience, and he's going to help us to unpack the legal environment in South Africa. Nigeria and South Africa are two big countries, economic giants. Nigeria was declared Africa's largest economy on April 6, 2014. It was a Sunday, and bombs went off in Nyanya, Lorry Park, on April 14, 2014. And the same night, more than 276 girls were kidnapped by Boko Haram in Chibok. Until today, some of those girls are still in captivity. Now, as a Nigerian in South Africa, and I haven't even mentioned the $5 billion fine and all sorts of things that have gone wrong between Nigerians doing to themselves in terms of our image, and South Africa-Nigeria relationship being tested because of one thing or the other. As a Nigerian businessman here, how do you find doing business in South Africa? Because I know you're also in property. Yeah, how do you find doing business in South Africa?
Omotola, we see as a Nigerian, you have to work extremely hard and to prove yourself and to establish trust, and to work extraordinarily hard, because it's difficult, because the diplomatic relationship between Nigeria and South Africa, to me, I feel it's on a very different level. We that are on the lower level,
we're the underdogs
residing in South Africa, because we want, as a Nigerian, you basically, my clientele practicing as an attorney, my clients are Nigerians. I've not been fortunate or lucky to be in boards or at my level. I'm meant to be servicing
Standard Bank, Old Mutual,
multi-choice, and
Bidvest.
But as a Nigerian,
they're shy of you.
Stereotyping is just
they're shy,
and it's not shy. It's just that fear of the fact that you're a Nigerian. But you see, we are survivors. The fact is, we're surviving, we keep surviving.
You keep pressing on.
We keep pressing. So that relationship in terms of trade,
but
business,
what would you like to see happen? For example, we have a new Consul General, Godwin Adama. He's been very proactive.
No, proactive. I had a meeting with him when we were with him in the consulate yesterday.
What do you think, what more can he do with regards to police brutality and our image?
We want to launch the legal desk level so that we can have a system like the clientele life.
What do you mean by a legal desk? Where will it be?
It's going to operate from where we're operating as it stands now.
Right, from your office?
From our office.
Okay.
To say, and I'll try and even see how I can...
Like a helpline?
Yeah, I'll bring most Nigerian practicing attorneys together as well.
Right. The two factions?
Obviously.
Or three?
No, there's no two, we're all one.
Okay,
it's just that
we pray for that.
In principle, we differed in principle.
Right.
You understand? That was just it.
But maybe the Consul General can bring you guys together.
No one is going to bring us together.
Because he's a diplomat.
No, we bring ourselves together.
Okay. When will that happen?
No, it's happening.
Because we need you guys to be united to fight this fight.
No, we with what I'm doing now, and I think I'm having positive response from
the feelers. Okay.
Yes, so.
But how many women are involved in this association?
Abi
Oguno Jemite. There's a lady called Abi Oguno Jemite.
Yeah, you better.
Yes.
Ife Oluwa.
Yes.
She's having articles with me.
Okay.
She's on board. She's
Right.
having mad.
Who else is there? Another female?
Chooks Oji.
The
There's
female?
this Nigerian guy, no, this Nigerian
I'm
girl.
talking about women.
Oh, no, it's only fair that is on
So
board.
one woman out of 9 or 10 people.
Yeah, it's only fair. Probably as we go along, we will get more Nigerians that will come.
There's a question that I would like to share with you. So, given your success here,
Success in which area?
in terms of your legal practice and your property profession, how many people are you mentoring?
Oh my God, I've laid a legacy.
How many? Can you give us
I can give you a
figures?
figure. When my first candidate attorney that served is an advocate today. Fine, he's a South African. Hulisani is in the bar.
You're mentoring South Africa.
Yes.
But you
South
get
Africa.
the clients from Nigeria.
Yes.
Okay.
My first CA was a South African. He's an advocate today. After I got Hulisani, then there's an European.
You're mentoring foreigners as well.
Hold on, I'll tell you. Gabby's admitted she was with me for 6 years. She's just left me 31st of August.
Where's Gabby from?
Gabby, she's from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria.
Yeah, she's left now.
Okay.
Then I started getting in Nigerians. I have Tayo Alabi. Tayo Alabi is an admitted attorney. Served this article with two years with me. I have Smart Uwobi. He served his articles with me. He's from Imo State. He's opened his own practice. Tayo's opened his own practice. I have Ife. You understand? I have Sam. Sam was really immigration consultant. He's consulting. So
any of your proteges still with you after 5 years or so?
You see, that's the problem I have. Everybody wants to
Be boss.
Yes, they're all on their own. And you see, my vision was forming an
Don't you
association.
give them any shares or equity?
No, you see, I'll tell you one thing. You see, we Nigerians, let them. I feel they should just explore. They should go.
They'll come
see.
back.
And when the time comes, that vision that I have in forming an association of Nigerian practicing attorney will still come to live and will still manifest himself, so that we will now have that.
But how do you respond to the fact that at the high level Nigerian Bar Association seminar, that it was visible that you guys had split into two under the watchful eye of Alege, the NBA president?
Yeah, I think.
How do you respond to that? How do you feel?
No, Omotola, we are professionals. We controlled the atmosphere, and we had our representatives in both the allied faction. I still believe we're still one, and there was nothing so much.
It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad. It was under control.
But you didn't get any new friends?
We didn't really.
Or new members?
No, but members are coming. Members
Okay.
are getting
So
into
where
the
are your offices?
I know I'm based in Pretoria, in Hatfield.
Okay.
Yeah.